Okay, so this is probably the last day that my room is going to be in a somewhat recordable state, as well as, I guess, the way it is right now. Since we are packing and basically leaving Tokyo tomorrow, headed back to Kyoto for a little bit, and then back to actually to Korea, and then back to California. But this is it right here. I guess we're going to do a little bit of a review at some point, but yeah, the final state of my room before we start packing. I never do my bed ever. And then, yeah, it's been nice staying here actually. The room is quite spacious. The sound levels are fine. Like, I don't really care that much about the fact that I can somewhat hear people in the living room sometimes. But overall, like, it's been a good stay in the past 2 months, and I appreciate this place a lot. Like, I got to meet some nice people and become friends with them and go see Tokyo with them as well, like some nice areas. So I feel like the experience overall has been really good for the past 2 months. I'd say the past week or two, I've been not as active with recording, which is noticeable for me for sure. I feel like when I record more, I am more in touch with myself, which is interesting. Maybe it's like the other way around. When I'm more in touch with myself, I tend to record more. So in the past week or two, I've been kind of going out a lot with friends and just like not really thinking about too much else, which is a good thing in some ways, but at the same time it makes me feel like I want to get back into like this. But now that we're in a transitioning point again, it's it's feeling like we're being naturally pushed to think about things like that again to get more in touch with myself. But yeah, we'll do the full review like I think tomorrow, right after we finish packing. But this is just a little quick, I guess, summary of what we've been feeling and the overall the overall feel of my stay here, which is like it was good. And I guess I just wanted to like record the final state of my room before it gets really, really like I guess packed and barren and yeah. Okay, that's it for this one. Just a quick one.